So we got a phone call to be involved with a very special SEMA build this year. It's a 2025 Toyota Landcruiser. So with that, we are here in Plano, Texas, and we're ready to get started on this build. This thing is gonna be awesome. We got a custom roof rack going on it, a whole bunch of custom lights, a whole bunch of really fun stuff. We got the next few days already outlined ahead of us, so it's gonna be a fun time. Let's get into that shop and get to it. But with that being said, I'm Taylor with KC, and welcome to Texas. Day 2 on the Landcruiser project this morning. Yesterday we got a ton of progress done, so what that means is today we're focusing more on the stuff that's not as fun, which is wiring, but that's okay. So we got the roof rack on. It's our prototype rack right now, so that thing is looking awesome. We got the Titan light bar overhead on this thing. Next up to, we also got the ditch lights done yesterday. So today we're running the power distribution plate, all the wiring for that. We're running the rock light wiring. We're gonna run the wiring for all the integrated side lights on the rack, the overhead light bar, all that good stuff. So today it's a lot of wiring, tedious work. So we're gonna get it up in the air, make it easier to walk underneath this thing, and then get to it.
So why are we taking the skid plate off?
Well, skid plate's off for very technical reasons. Reason being, when you drop shit in the engine bay, you gotta find it afterwards, and usually gravity takes it all the way to the bottom, so we had to pull the skid plate. Luckily, it was just a little plastic skid plate, so it was easy to pull off. Anyway, found one of the 2 items that we're looking for, so making progress. What time is it? Where are we? What are you doing?
It is currently 8:23 p.m. Central Standard Time. I am currently making a huge harness to hold 9 different relays to power some stuff. And yeah, it's late, but it's good.
You have the most energy I've ever seen you have right now.
I've never had this much energy. No, it's going good. It's fun. Happy to be here. Happy to be doing this. I cut my finger, but it's okay.
And David's looking at Toyota Corollas. On
On
Facebook
brand.
Marketplace.
On brand.
On brand.
Brand.
All right.
It is currently day 3, our last day, and we are all hands on deck. So I am now wiring, Taylor is now on camera, and John is, I think they're working on the rack. So all hands on deck. We have, what, 4 hours to get 9 hours worth of stuff done, so.
Just about.
Yeah, we're cranking.
Bunch of wires to finish up, custom harnesses, all kinds of stuff, right?
Yep, yeah, pretty much. There needs to be 5 custom relay harnesses built because we're going to the factory switches, which can't hold more than a couple amps. So we need to make sure everything that goes to the switches is super low amperage. So custom relays across the board. We have a total of 9 relays going in this thing, so.
So we're finishing up kind of the final hours of the Landcruiser project here, and it's a good stopping point to go look at everything that we've gotten done so far. We want to go take a look underneath the hood and show off some of the lights that we did. Pretty much everything on this thing has been custom. Custom wiring solutions, custom relay boxes, custom lights, custom bezels, custom optics, custom roof rack, prototype roof rack, all that good stuff, right? So there's been a lot of stuff that we actually had to do to this thing, so we wanted to show it off. So let's go take a look now and show off all the different lights that turn on. John is finishing up some wiring. So what John's got here is a custom harness with all of the different trigger control signal wires, whatever you want to call it, that's going to go all the way in through the firewall into the cab of the vehicle and allow them to mount to the switches that go into the OEM position. So the team here in the shop custom designed and then printed a new holder for all the switches. Originally it was just kind of a blank piece of plastic inside of the Landcruiser, and they ended up making a cool little switch holder spot for it. So that's where that's going to go to. David's going to wrap that up, but then from there John's just kind of cleaning things up, and then we're going to route it through the firewall. That's it. Let's look at the lights. And with that, that's pretty much a wrap on this 25 Landcruiser. There was a ton of custom wiring, a ton of custom solutions, a bunch of stuff that we had to put into this thing. So it's been a long few days here, but we're stoked on how it turned out. And so are they, which is even more important to us. So with that being said, pretty sure this thing is gonna go to SEMA. If it doesn't, we know that for sure lined up is King of the Hammers next year, a whole bunch of NASCAR races, a whole bunch of really cool stuff where you can check this thing out for yourself. So with that being said, thank you all for tuning in and enjoy the build.